So hey guys, what's up? Today I have a parcel in my hand, so let's open it. So it is a Drift 3M V2 3x3 magnetic. Yeah, so let's begin. Okay, yeah, shit. Okay, it's good. Come on. Oh wait. Perfect. Yeah, you can see that. You can see my happiness. Wait, forgot about it. Forget about it. Sorry. Okay, so it came with some cubing Christmas stickers. See, let's move this open. Okay, as you can see, ooh, that looks so cool. Okay, let me just unbox it. So it has magnetic positioning. Magnetic positioning, adjustable elasticity, stable structure, smooth turning. That's all I need. So how do we open this? Yeah, like that. Please watch till the end of the video, please. My god, that is so cool. Why isn't it opening? Oh wow. Wait, there's something on the other side. Okay, whatever. Let us see. Ooh, nice bag. Forgot about it. Look, a nice bag. This is Cubelelo. You can't read it. Fair enough. And nothing else. Okay. Oh my god, that is such a cool experience, man. I just want to turn it. How do we open this? Whatever. What the hell? Oh, my hands are cool. I can't turn that well. But, okay. Let's see something. Wait. Oh no, shit. No worries. Just normal screw. And yeah. And there's a stand with it. Pretty cool, right? Okay. So let's is there anything else? You can see this. This is the cube care. I didn't get the lubricants. Sorry about that. Let's look at these are the stickers. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, keep calm and cube through the holidays. Sounds good to me. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing. So stay tuned for another video. Bye.